Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mia and it's a really simple place. All we do is we craft and that's literally it. So wow, today's video I'm actually excited by, which makes a change because the last video I had to film and edit I put off for like 3 months, and if there were ever an established bond between the two of us where you expected some level of quality from me, that last video desecrated it. And I'm sorry, but I'm here to redeem myself. So, oh my god, I love Halloween, except for the part where I actually don't love Halloween. I don't really care about it at all. But in concept, I love Halloween because I really like witchy, spooky, vintage kind of things. And I feel like Halloween is a time of year where it's socially acceptable and my Pinterest feed is full of the stuff that I want 24/7. Now I know that the rest of the world for some reason doesn't seem to love spooky things all the time, so I restrain myself. I'm a functioning member of society. However, my time has come. So these are kind of like Halloween-y themed crafts, but you can keep them up all year long. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and drop a comment. It really helps growth. Oh my god, am I a YouTuber? That's cute. I mean, I'm not, but cute. I feel like a real YouTuber. I just said comment for engagement. Cute. Anyways, do the thing, subscribe. I'm gonna shut up now. Let's get into it. Our first step is to come up with some tattoo designs. So you could draw these yourselves or you could cheat like I did. I personally went to heritagetype.com and used some of their free vintage illustration patterns. There's such a big selection and they're so cute. Plus, for any fellow creatives out there, these are all available under public domain, so you can use them in your commercial projects. Once you have some designs that you like, print these onto your temporary tattoo paper. I chose both coloured and black and white designs just so I could get a feel for which transferred across better. They both work fabulously, so just pick whatever suits your decor style best. Cut around the design as closely as possible. The transfer paper is transparent, but it's a little bit shiny, so you do want to get right in there just so it looks as natural as possible. Also, total side note, I've moved my office into our sunroom, so one, go check out my old office tour. It's a fun time, but when it rains you can hear it so much in this room and it's so relaxing. Just check this out. Anyways, back to the point. So once you have your designs printed and cut, it's exactly like using a temporary tattoo. Position the tattoo where you want it, ink side facing down of course, and press the back down for 10 seconds with a wet cloth. After that, peel the back off and your design should be transferred.
I never wanna break down, but you always seem to give me good old loving. I never wanna break down, I try too hard to be tough too often. I never wanna break down, but you always seem to give me good old loving. I never wanna break down, I try too hard to be tough too often. I never wanna break down, but you always seem to give me good old loving. I never never wanna break down, but you always seem to give me good old loving. I never wanna break down, but I too often hit up too often. I never wanna break down.
Now, I covered both sides of my hand, one with coloured ink and one with black ink. Honestly, I 110% love the concept, but not entirely the execution. That being said, this is a craft I would love to reattempt, maybe with like a stained wood hand mannequin and white ink. Like, do you guys think that would look cute? Let me know in the comments. For project 2, I bought this little shelving unit from eBay. I wanted to age it, so I tried using some sanding paper to distress the wood a bit. All I really achieved was scratching it, but I kind of like that. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Curio Cabinets, first go look at Etsy. Oh wait, don't worry. Oh, you're back? Nice. So, Curio Cabinets are a really witchy and cute way to display your odd collections. I actually came up with this idea because, well, let me tell you a quick story. It was like 10 p.m. on a Friday. I had maybe smoked a bit of the devil's lettuce, and as you do, I was trawling the vintage section of eBay. I don't know why. Maybe I miss thrifting, okay? Retail hasn't been open for like 2 months at this point. Anyways, I see this collection of vintage ink bottles, and for some reason I bid on them and win, then totally forget about the whole thing until they turn up in the post like 3 weeks later. Fortunately, they were way cuter than I remembered them being, and I really wanted to use them as little propagation bottles, and so the idea of a curio cabinet to display them was born. Other things I added to the cabinet included crystals, little herbarium, and some dried flowers. Once I had a setup that I liked, I used my vintage letter stamps to create some little inserts for the drawers that said odds and ends and slotted them into place. Admittedly, this is less of a DIY than our first project, but the final result is so cute. It really adds to my desk setup and lets me display some of my quirky collections without them being too cluttered and messy. So yeah, I really like this project.